Out! All of you. Bastard's been meddling where he shouldn't. I want you and your men gone. And you will make this right. We're outside. Lord Commander.
Now!
Lord Commander.
Leave us. What did you do?
I followed him. He took the baby into the woods, the newborn.
What business is that of yours?
No, you don't understand. He's killing them, all the boys. You know.
The Wildlings serve crueler gods than you or I. Those boys are Craster's offerings.
Offerings? He's murdering his own children. He's a monster.
Many a time, that monster's been the difference between life and death for our rangers. Your uncle among them. We have other wars to fight out there. Like it or not, we need men like Craster.
I saw it. I saw something take that child.
Whatever it was, I dare say you'll see it again. Now, ready my horse. We'll leave at dawn. Don't lose it again.